The question has popped up, how do I check my transmission fluid? Welcome to Mercie J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith, Master Certified Technician. I wish the answer to that could be real simple, but it varies from car to car. This is an older Toyota here, and it has a dipstick. And on this particular car, you would have the engine running, supposed to be warmed up, but if it's cool, it's okay. And with the engine running in park, you wipe the dipstick off, put it in, pull it out. There's some marks. There's even one mark that says when it's cold and when it's hot on this particular car. Some cars, you'll have to read the instructions. They might have a dipstick, but you have to check it with the car off. And then many of our cars now have no simple way of checking it, because you actually have to have either a special tool to check it, or there's some plugs underneath the car that you pull. And then on manual transmissions, we don't have dipsticks. They have plugs underneath. So unless you have jacks in a lift or something like that, they're a little bit tougher to check. So if you're fortunate enough to have a car that has a dipstick, something easy for you to check. Otherwise, you might have to do a little bit more research. So sorry I couldn't be a little more specific, but I hope this video has been helpful to you. And until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.